If you guys want to go to the social repose Johnnie Guilbert Tour Secret Tree Fort Tour, it is linked down below. You should buy your tickets because if you don't, no one's going to be there and I'm going to cry and I'm going to be playing alone in a room and I don't want to do that, so please just buy tickets and show up. Oh my gosh, and there's also VIP, so you know, like, get that freaking swag.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Johnny. I haven't filmed a sit-down video in like 84 years, especially alone. So today I thought I would just show you how I do my makeup. I've been wearing a lot of makeup. Also, I'm sorry about this lighting. I'm not a professional at YouTube. As you know, I'm a professional at YouTube. Wait, that's not what I said. It's really cool, you know, but I don't recommend it when you know you... I think I'm 5. I can do that. I can flip off people. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I do my makeup. I'm going to be putting on lipstick and eyeshadow and everything. So also I just want to say I've gotten to the point where I'm comfortable wearing lipstick outside. Back in the day I was like a little bit more hesitant, but right after this I'm going straight to the movie theaters and I'm going to be rocking all my makeup. I usually just wear it wherever now, which is pretty cool. So if you're insecure about wearing makeup, hopefully you can get past that too.
Makeup guru. This is how I do my makeup. I'm professional. Look at the trees. They're so nice. Yeah.
First thing I have is a beauty blender. Ow! I also want to say I don't have my best makeup because I left a lot of it in Vegas and now I just bought cheap stuff. That's okay. Cheap stuff is good too. Let me show you how. I mean, it's probably not good on me, but it's probably great on you. So yeah, anything's great on you. Yeah. Also, look at this. Red pants. Look at those girl jeans. Target. Hell yeah. I'm not sponsored by Target. Why am I not sponsored? Why Target? Why am I not sponsored? Also, if you're like, oh, your hair looks like a bowl, well then, f you. My hair looks great. You're a liar.
Hello again, Johnny, do you have any, what, camera? Hi, camera. I haven't seen you in a while. You want to see my dance?
Alright, so the first thing you need is some sort of foundation that is hopefully your skin color, because if it's not, that's a problem. So I just want to say, I don't know how to do makeup. I'm really not great at it. And if you're cringing at me being like, oh my god, he's so stupid. Well, I didn't tell you I was great, okay? I've been doing this lately where I just get my foundation, then I put it on my beauty blender, and then I just put it on my face instead. I like to take out my piercings also while I do this. I put my mouth, look at this. Dang, I already look so much better. I already look like a 10 out of 10. Does that look good? I look so bad. What am I wrong? I got it in my eyebrow. Ah! You can see it's not the best looking, but it's mine. Bug pugs are over, alright? I'm gonna call you guys peasants. Could you imagine if I just called everyone a peasant? I could be a cult leader. That's cool. I mean, guys, comment down below if you want me to call you peasants. I could be a peasant too. It's cool. I don't mean it in a negative way. I just mean it in like, I don't know, I just think it's a funny word. I think it's a funny word. I think it's like rat, you know, when people call each other rats. I think it's that funny. The next thing you need is your powder, which I would assume is like the same shade as your foundation. Put it everywhere, you know, just to powder it out. Honestly, I don't even know what powder does, but I use it. I have contour. I don't even know how contour works at all. Wow, look at that. Then I sometimes put it under my chin. I don't know if this is what you're supposed to be doing, but that's what I do. This is a little personal. What the f did I just do with my hand again? Ah! Sometimes I like to put powder in my eyebrows because sometimes my eyebrows start fading away like a ghost. I mess up on this and I make them really big. I did my eyebrows really bad, so we'll just cover that with hair. Usually before I add eyeliner, I add my powder of black eyeshadow. Unless if I just wear eyeliner. Sometimes I do that. Sometimes I don't wear anything. Sometimes I'm just naked. Sometimes I just wear black eyeshadow with eyeliner. But if I put the eyeshadow first, I don't have to be as good with my eyeliner. I have an eyeshadow brush, which is kind of professional. You know, it's pretty A class. Ow, I stabbed my actual eyeball. That's the first time. Probably looking at my eyeshadow, you're thinking, wow, he looks really good. No, I don't, okay? I need to fix it. I'm gonna put my eyeliner before I fix my eyeshadow. As you can tell, it does not look good. I know, I suck. I put on eyeshadow, I usually only have to put my eyeliner on like the bottom and then a little bit on the top. Honestly, it doesn't even really need eyeliner. Just put it against the eyelid, that's what I do. And make sure to rub any foundation off your actual lip, because if you're gonna do lipstick and you have foundation on there, it kind of messes it up. Put lipstick on it, you kind of want to take it off a little bit because you want to have it where it's not just gonna clump on your lip. Use the tip of the lipstick to outline your lip. All I'm thinking about right now is Danny DeVito. So as you can see, my lip is messy and I just kind of started filling it in. But now that you have an outline, you wanna fill in your lips. I honestly did a really decent job at this, I think. Which is surprising. I usually don't do a good job at lipstick. Last thing I do is I put on setting spray. I didn't used to do this because I didn't care. And I still don't really care, but it kind of keeps your makeup on, I guess. I don't know. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, hit the like button and stay happy, not crappy, thug pugs, and also your peasants. I guess that's maybe something I'm gonna call you. Maybe, I don't know. Do you want me to? All right, bye.
Can't find my way out of this place. I've been screaming for days. Please help me. I'm locked in this state. No way to break free. That's when I lost my sanity. Please help me. Please help me. Lost my sanity. Lost my sanity. Got nothing left to lose. All my life been feeling so used. No way to escape today. Feel my heart evaporate. Always been